Hello students. Now today we have to see next point, next examples of practice set 1.2. That is third example. Which of the following are empty set? Why? Now we know definition of empty set. A set which contains no element, that set is called empty set. Now first write down given set. Set A contains, A is a set of A such that A is a natural number, A is a natural number smaller than 0, smaller than 0. A is a natural number smaller than 0. Now there is how many numbers, which number is a natural number but smaller than 0? Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 and so on. Smaller than 0 है का number? नहीं, all are greater than 0. Therefore, set A contains no element. A is an empty set, therefore set A is an empty set. Set A लिहिला, A मध्ये एकही एलिमेंट नाही, therefore set is an empty set. Now write down number 2. B is a set of x such that x square is equal to 0. Now x square is equal to 0 means value of x is 0. Therefore, set B contains element 0. Taking square root of both sides, or write down here x square is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0. Therefore, B contains element 0. That is, B is not n. This contains one element. Therefore, this is singleton set. This is not an empty set. यामध्ये एक एलिमेंट आहे, म्हणजे एक एलिमेंट आहे म्हणजे empty set आहे का? नाही. Therefore, set B is not an empty set. Empty set. Number 3. C is a set of x such that 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. X belongs to n. Now here, set C contains, write down here, 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, what is value of 5x? Therefore, 5x is equal to minus becomes plus 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 upon 5. And 2 upon 5 is not a natural number, and 2 upon 5 does not belongs to n. Natural number आहे का? नहीं. Therefore, set C contains no elements. Set C contains no elements. Therefore, set C is an empty set. Empty set. कसं लिहिलं पहा? A set लिहिला. A set contains no element. Smaller than 0, एकही element नाही, natural number. Therefore, A contains no element. Therefore, set A is an empty set. B is a set of x such that x square is equal to 0. Here x square is equal to 0. Therefore, x is 0. Then B contains element 0. Therefore, set B is not an empty set. C is a set of x such that 5x minus 2 equal to 0, x belongs to n. Now here 5x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore 5x is equal to plus 2. x is equal to 2 upon 5. आणि 2 upon 5 natural number आहे का? नाही. And 2 upon 5 not belongs to n. Therefore set C contains no element. Therefore set C is an empty set. Now question number 4. Write with reasons which of the following sets are finite or infinite. We know definition of finite set. If a set contains finite number of elements, it is called finite set, or it is if a set contains infinite number of elements, then it is an infinite set. Now first example is A is a set of x such that x less than 10, x is a natural number. Now x less than, therefore set A contains elements less than 10, x is a natural number, म्हणजे element कोणते येतील 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. त्यामध्ये x कसा पाहिजे, x less than 10, therefore set A contains elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and last element is 9. Therefore this contains, these are the finite number of elements, we can count it. Therefore set A is a finite set. Finite set. Second, number 2, B is a set of y such that y less than minus 1, y is an integer. Y is an integer. Therefore set B contains less than, y is less than minus 1, y is an integer. Integer म्हटल्यानंतर कोणते एलिमेंट येतील, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. These are the 1, 2, 3. Integer म्हटल्यानंतर पहा minus dash dash, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are all integers. Y is an integer, but y is less than minus 1. All these are less than minus 1. या बाजूचे कसे minus 1 च्या less than आहे. Therefore we can write this as B set contains less than minus 1 value कोणते येतात, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. minus 1 पेक्षा लहान कोणती, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Therefore set B contains infinite number of elements. Therefore set B is an infinite set. Infinite set. Number 3, C is a set of, C is equal to set of students of class, set of students of class 9 from your school, from your school. C is a set of students of class 9 from your school. These are countable. 9th class students school मध्ये कसे तर काउंटेबल मोजता येणार आहेत. Therefore this is an therefore set C contains finite number of elements. Therefore set C is a finite set. Set C is a finite set. This is number 3. Write down number 4. Set of people from your village. Set of people from your village Now set of people from your village, this is a finite set because we can count all peoples of village. Village चे सर्व people आपण count करू शकतो. Therefore this is finite set. This set contains finite number of elements. Therefore this is a finite set. Number 5. Set of apparatus in a laboratory. Set of apparatus in laboratory. Now there are finite number of apparatus in a laboratory. We can count it. Therefore it is a finite set. There are finite number of elements, number of apparatus in laboratory. Therefore this is a finite set. This is a finite set. And here set of whole numbers. Number 6. Set of whole numbers Now set of whole numbers, suppose this is set W, this contains whole number, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now this set contains infinite number of elements, therefore set of whole number is an infinite set. Therefore set of whole number is an infinite set. And last is set of rational number. Therefore there are infinite number of rational numbers, therefore set of rational number is also infinite set. Thank you.